Universal Children's Day History, Fact, Themes, and Activities. In 1954, it was decided that Universal Children's Day would be celebrated on the 20th of November each year. This day marks the anniversary of the date when the Declaration and Convention on the Children's Rights were adopted by the UN General Assembly. Though Children's Day is celebrated on the 20th of November by most countries, some countries have adopted other dates for the occasion. The UN General Assembly first announced the concept of Children's Day in 1954 to bring children of all the races, caste and creed together and for the welfare of the children across the world. UNICEF World Children's Day celebrates the youngest mind of the world by encouraging brotherhood and fraternity and highlighting the importance of the well-being of children. Over the year, Children's Day around the world has promoted a number of causes such as eradicating HIV, AIDS, promoting the education of all the children and more. On November 20, 1989, the UN General Assembly signed a treaty to protect the social, civil, economic, health and cultural and political rights of children. Significance of Universal Children's Day. Children are the future, focuses on the right of children, spotlight on problems faced by children. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.